How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're going to be walking through a brand new brokerage listing for a 2016 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. You can see here, it's got this beautiful light gray hull color. That is going to be paint, not gel coat. Really nice finish on that with the black Boston Whaler logo to match the bottom paint. And this boat is going to be powered by twin 350 Mercury Verados with joystick piloting. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the boat. Starting in the back of the boat here, this is going to be powered by twin 350 horsepower Mercury Verados with joystick piloting. You have rocket launchers all along the back. This great big pull-out bench seat that can easily fold up to open up this cockpit for a huge fishing, standing, entertaining area. Loungers with seats that fold down or forward to find comfortable position. On the starboard side is a nice sized dive door for easy access on and off from the dock. We're bringing in that big catch of the day. Fish boxes on the floors on both sides, as well as big access into the bilge under my feet here. Moving forward on the starboard side, nice summer kitchen, a live well, a Kenyan electric grill, just some storage, and a freshwater sink, isotherm refrigerator, as well as some drawers for storage. Moving up on the port side, great big co-captain seat here, comfortably seats two with independent bolsters, so if someone wants to stand or sit, it can be adjusted. The seat can be raised up and down electronically as well. Looking at the helm here, you have the captain's chair here with flip up and down bolsters, joystick piloting, your throttles with digital throttle and shift, so no wire in there, nice and smooth the whole way. Twin 12-inch Raymarine screens. So you can see that there. It's the hybrid touch, the touch screen, as well as having the analog gauges, or not analog, the buttons in case you don't use a touch screen. And then your Mercury vessel view screen, Fusion, audio player, Raymarine radio. Everything you need on board, as well as your trim tabs up here as well. And then all of your redundancy switches up top. On the port side, you're going to have a great big head, easily access. He does have the eyes and glass enclosure in there at the moment. However, this is a great place to get out of the sun, cool down for a bit. Maybe have some kids take a nap. You have a table in there as well that can drop down. Great entertaining space, or if you want to grab lunch or something inside. On the port side, you're going to have a head, freshwater sink in there as well, and this does drain, so you can use this as a day head, shower off, a wet head, excuse me. Moving forward to the bow, great big seating area. Profile of the boat there. And on the bow, you're going to have a boarding ladder with a freshwater washdown, so if you're coming in off the front, rinse off all that salt before walking in, and the windlass. So nice and easy to drop anchor on this boat. So again, Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View on a 2016 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by or give us a call. Thanks, and see you out on the water.